Most people eat peaches raw, but roasting them completely transforms their flavor, let them cool down, and then you get an incredible Mediterranean dessert. Let's go. First, I put a plate into the freezer. Then I turn the oven on to 180 degrees, and you have to prepare the recipe at least 4 hours before. Me, I'm going to do it the day before. So yeah, we remove the pit, just slowly like this. And of course, you've got all the ingredients into the description below. I put them onto the baking dish. To give more flavor, I put the savory onto them. You can use rosemary or thyme, it's perfect. Olive oil, just like this. And I do the same with the honey. It's better to use liquid honey. This is lavender honey. And it's very important to put the honey right onto the herbs so it takes all the flavor. Beautiful. And I put it into the oven during 20 to 30 minutes. You'll see the skin will come off on its own. And what you want is the juice, just like that. I remove the peaches and I will put them into the fridge with the paper. I recover the juice from the peaches into the plate I put into the freezer. We don't waste anything. And then I whisk it and I put it back into the freezer. And what you want is a nice and beautiful granita. Then you whisk it every 30 minutes. You repeat it 5 or 6 times. Yeah, that's the texture you want. Now we are the next day or 4 hours later. We turn the oven on to 180 degrees and we are going to prepare the almond crumble. I add all the flours, the sugar and the softened butter. Then you knead it by hand, or you can use a stand mixer as well. Great. I take the paper. It will be easier to spread the pasta dough. And you want to spread it evenly. It's very important. And not too much. You want to keep it a little thick, just like that. And you put it into the oven during 15 minutes. To be honest with you, I had to do it again because I was cooking at the barbecue and I forgot it. Then, yeah, too many things at the time. Now I take the peaches and the peach granita. I will remove the skin and the savory. I think 3 halves per person is enough. A little olive oil. Then you add the almond crumble. It's going to be our crunchy. You'll see later, it sounds so amazing. I take the peach granita. And I have to be quick. I take the basil. I chop it roughly. I zest a lemon. So good. A pinch of fleur de sel. And you're good to eat. I promised you the crunchy, then yeah, it smells good, of course. Oh. Definitely. If you enjoyed it, then subscribe for more simple Mediterranean recipes, and I see you in the next one. Bye!